Welcome back to BSpice. In this session, we'll talk about field instrument standard drawing. So this is the look and feel. As you can see here, friends, there are a lot of structures and floor mounting, paved area, unpaved area, all those are there, right? So we are going to have a look at all those aspects. So if we look at this here, type A. So this is on the paved area. Okay. Then if you see the type B, this is on the unpaved area. And if you see on the type C, actually, it's on the grating, right? On the tower, right? Column. Yeah. Then you have type D that is also on a grating, but it is, mounted on the, support of this grating. I mean, a side rail, handrail, right? Side mounted on this. But here it is not, it is separated, right? Yeah. So it is just, attached to this handrail and here it is mounted separately. And if you see type E, this is used by support taken from the structure channel, right? So all these things we are going to talk in this drawing. Okay. So again, this is a typical standard drawing actually. In your EPC phase, you will be doing this, right? Yes. So what we have to do, we have to talk about we have to take note of the installation method, meaning where the instruments are located or installed, whether it's a concrete floor or the structures or pillars or towers, whatever is there, we have to take note. Accordingly, we need to come out with the drawing. So installation method where instruments are involved on paved mount, unpaved mount, stage or platform and column mount. All these aspects we need to focus. Okay, now we will see how to develop the drawing. So this is the typical drawing, friends. As I explained earlier, you see here the type A. Okay, so if it is on the paved area, meaning the concrete will be there, and this is how we need to. So this is how, in the sense, we have a checker plate, right? And you have a stanchion, and to this we will have our instruments attached. So this is one of the type A, and of course we need to ensure that this mounting is not, obstructing this valve, operation and maintenance. And also person should be, one person should go and come actually. It should not obstruct the personal movement. Okay. So this is one aspect. Then coming back to this type B. So here it is not concrete, it's unpaved area. So for that we have to come out to the block and concrete structure. Above that we have the checker plate, and above that the stanchion is welded, and here we have this mount instruments. This is type B. Then type C, this is on a column actually. You can see here, it's basically a tower. Yeah, tower. So in that, you can have on the grating itself, you can mount using a support, using that support and the stanchion and the instrument. This is one way of mounting. Then going to the type D, it's again on the platform basically, and using this, rail, the hand support is there, right? So using that, we are actually doing it. Again, here we have this, what do you call, the checker plate. On the checker plate, we have this, what do you call, it's like a, small plate for a foundation, on the foundation, on the platform. Okay. Then you have the stanchion. Then you have this instruments. This is how the type D. Then one more is the type E, wherein simply wherever this, C channel structures are there, from that we can take a support, L type of support. So this is how we need to come out to the typical drawing, friends. Okay, the same thing we use when we do for the when we carry out the installation, right? Okay, I covered everything. Okay, now how to prepare this support? Okay, if you see the type A, this is paved concrete. Okay, so this is what I told you, right? This is a paved, and you have your, plate. Yeah, wherein you have this anchor bolt here, right? You have this anchor bolt and you have this additional support, and this is your, what do you call, the stanchion, 2-inch pipe. So this is one typical. And if you see this, yeah, this is your view actually, top view. If you look at the top view, it will be like that. So this plate will be of 250 by 250 square plate. Okay, from the checker plate, we can cut and do it. Okay, this is type A. Then type B, it's of unpaved. So meaning we have to develop this foundation. So usually what we do, so the foundation approximately 450, approximately 450. Okay. So this is up to the unpaved. Then after this, you have this, additional 150. This is ground, inside the ground, and the support should be projected up to 150. Then above that, we have this plate and the additional, the pipe, the 2-inch stanchion. Okay. So this is your top view. Okay. So this is a little bit bigger actually because of the structure and all we put for 350. This is a typical standard. Then when you talk about the type C actually, you see this is on the stage or platform on a checker plate. So this is the one. This is your checker plate already there. So on that you have this, angle, okay, 40 by 40 angle. Then wherein you can mount this stanchion, okay, by bolted using a 3/8. Okay, and this is your top view, friends. Okay, so this is your anchor bolt, right? This is your checker plate. I mean, this is your checker plate, and this is your what do you call the structure? I mean, your stanchion and all these. Okay. Then type D. Type D is actually stage or platform mount on grating. So you already have a grating here, and above that you need to come out with this bolt using the grating itself, but you have to use this channel. You see here the channel, I mean angle, right? Angle, 40 angle. So like this and like this, and you have to mount here. This is how you need to develop for this stage or platform mount on grating. This is on the checker plate. This is on the grating. So this is the look and feel actually. As you can see here, the top view, this is your grating and this is your instrument mounting. Okay. Then finally type E. So as I said earlier, this is on the structure, right? Yeah. So the structure is already there, structure or column, whatever is there. You take a L-shaped pipe. I mean, the stanchion will be L-shaped and here you have to mount it, friends. So these are the typical. I already covered most of the things. So that I suggest to make use of this for your project when we prepare a typical insulation drawing. Thank you. And yeah, this is actually floor mount. Yeah, sorry, I missed this. So this is the floor mount actually. So this is a paved, right? Yes, paved. Paved means it's a concrete. So you see here, what is the height? It is 1,500. And here also it's unpaved, right? Unpaved means it's like a foundation, and above that you are mounting your instrument. Here it's a stage or platform. This is actually giving to give you the dimension actually. Already we have all the details. This is just give you a dimension of what height you have to put it. Okay. So thank you. And yeah, a few more interesting videos are also coming up. The next one is big one, which is about the instrument impulse line. There are various types of impulse line, right? For a flow, level, pressure, differential pressure, all those we are going to have a discussion. That will be a lengthy one. Thanks for watching and keep supporting, friends. Yeah, see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.